Hello, WED 151 students. Welcome to your alternative medicine course for the spring semester of 2021. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I will be your instructor for the duration of the next 8 weeks. I just wanted to touch on a few things in this first little welcome video, just some basics about your course, your textbook, how to get a hold of me, just some real brief basics. So when you open Canvas, you will see any recent announcements will pop up here for you. I will post announcements regularly throughout the week. They may be reminders about your assignments. They could also be important things that are happening on the campus, such as food drives, any COVID information, anything like that. So please keep up to date on their recent announcement. Those will be posted on your homepage. And then as you scroll down, you'll see just the syllabus and contact information for me. Ideally, the best way to get a hold of me is by sending me a Canvas message over here using your inbox button. You will do this as an assignment in the first week of the course. If you're not comfortable with this, there's a tutorial on it in the Canvas help guides, which is down here. So best way to get a hold of me, Canvas message. I will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. Generally, I'm really fast at responding, usually within a couple of hours. If for some reason you do not hear from me and it's been 24 hours, resend the message because I either didn't get it or thought I responded to it and hadn't, okay? So if you don't hear from me fairly quickly, just resend the message, please. And again, Canvas message or email. Canvas inbox message is usually the easiest, okay? We do have a textbook for this course. That information is listed on your syllabus, which is down here. But our textbook for this course is, this is what it looks like if you were to go to Amazon. And it is pretty hefty if you get the actual edition. It's probably about this thick. So don't be alarmed when you get it in the mail and think, oh my word, this class, like I can't do it. We only cover a little bit of information, and this is really the most cost-effective textbook in alternative medicine. You have the option to buy the ebook edition. Right now, Kindle, you can buy it on Kindle for $5, $6. And then if you want to do a paperback, brand new is about $35 on Amazon today. I know prices are always changing, but you can also buy it used from as low as $6.38. So ebook options, I've had students get it on Google Play. I've had them use Kindle. So whatever is easiest for you. I don't care as far as what format you get the textbook. You will just need the textbook for this course. We also, luckily this semester, this is new, we have the option to use the textbook and read it online for one student at a time through the library. So GCC Library has that option for you, okay? So if you are in your class and you click on the library textbook, it will take you to this link, and when you click on this link, it will actually take you, you'll have to use your MEID to log in, but it will actually take you to the textbook. So again, you can read it online. Only one student can use it at a time, so we do ask as soon as you would finish reading that you would log out. Or if you don't have great internet access or would prefer to read it offline so other students would have access to it, you can download up to 75 pages at a time to read it. And our reading each week is usually 20 to 30 pages, so 75 pages would be quite a bit. So if you would like to go through and just download the first couple weeks of information and not have to actually buy your textbook, that is an option for you, okay? So if you head back to your main page on Canvas, so that library textbook information is here for you. Here is your syllabus. I'm going to let you read that information over on your own. And biggest things that I want you to complete this week. So class officially starts on Tuesday the 19th because Monday is Martin Luther King Day. The course is open and ready for you guys to start working, so if you'd like to get some things done early, by all means, please do so. You have 4 main things that you need to complete by Friday, January 22nd. Okay, your introduction, so you'll write a quick introduction about yourself. There's a getting started assignment here, an orientation quiz, and this is basically just reviews the information about the syllabus and make sure you're ready to start the course. And then also to send me a message through Canvas, just to make sure that you're comfortable in doing that, as that will be our main communication throughout the course. Okay. As you scroll down, you'll see module number 1. You will need to complete all of the getting started modules before you complete module number 1. Module number 1, first assignment will be due on Sunday, January 24th. Our typical weeks in this course will be, things will open first thing Monday morning, and you will have until Sunday night to complete that. There are some weeks where we will have discussions due on Friday, but in general, most of the assignments will be due on Sunday. Please remember that this is an online course, so in order to remain active in the course, I do need you to turn in assignments every single week. If for some reason you're having an issue with getting an assignment in on Sunday, if something happens, you have a family emergency or anything like that, please contact me. Communication is key in this course, so if you have any questions at all, just reach out to me and send me a message. I want you to be successful in this course, and I want you to do well. So in order to do that, if something's going on, you just need to let me know. But I look forward to working with all of you this semester. And if you have any questions at all, please just feel free to reach out to me. And don't forget to make sure that you complete this getting started orientation and these first 4 assignments by Friday, January 22nd. Have a great day, and I look forward to working with you this semester.